Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna give a solution for every bald guy, or at least who is getting thinning hairs like me around here. I'm gonna give a solution for that. So if you are interested, just keep on watching till the end. Before starting this video, if you are someone who is interested in men's lifestyle and fitness, you are at the perfect channel here. So please consider subscribing to my channel. Before continuing this video, I want to tell something. Most of the thinning hair problems are curable at home. So you need to improve your diet. You need to eat more protein, because protein is what make up your hair. You need to include biotin in your diet. You need to do regular exercise. You need to oil at least twice in a week. You need to eat multivitamins. You need to eat omega-3 fatty acids. These are the small things you need to include in your diet. But unfortunately, some of the cases are uncurable because of the genetics, like me. But I am okay. I don't have any problem. I don't have any shame walking around. This is just natural. Everyone has their own flaws. You need to embrace it and go out. You don't need to feel anything. Everyone has their own flaws. Nobody is perfect. Just keep that in mind. But I got a solution for you. If you just want to try out, if you just want to have hair for some day, I got one solution for you, and that is 100% natural fiber from Ultimen. This brand Ultimen is kind enough to send me all the way from France. And thank you so much, Ultimen, for sending me this product. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this product on myself, on my hair, and see how I look, how it performs, and how does this product do. This is what they show in the picture. Here it is before, then here it is after. Also, they have all these different colors written down here. And for me, they have sent me this black color since my hair is black. So this is the product right here. This is how it looks. And this is how it looks after you open the cap. And what this company has mentioned on their website is this product is made out of 100% natural cotton fibers from Japan. So let's try this. I'm not gonna read out everything. They just wrote all the ways how to use all these things. So I'm just gonna show you how it looks after applying. So this is the way. See? So I have only thinning hair in this front. See, this is how I look right now after applying. One thing I like about this is it looks completely natural and it looks like proper hair. So you can take one tissue paper, give a touch so that it looks completely natural and stay in line. So this is what I can do. I already give one retouch with one tissue paper and see how it looks right now. I'm gonna just give you a close look. If it is spreading a little bit outside, you can always use one wet paper or some wet cloth and you just give a little bit touch, and that will do perfectly fine. One thing I should mention is you need to apply on the dry hair after you wash. You should not apply on the wet hair. And one thing I have to show you is Ultimen Secrets. It is waterproof, so if you go outside in the rain, nothing will happen. You don't need to worry about the rain and falling down all over your face. It is sweat proof, it is rain proof, it is wind proof, it is touch proof. It is also dermatologically approved, which means the doctors has checked and approved that it is perfectly safe to apply on your head. It is also undetectable, as you can see it perfectly. Now I have hair. So this thing is gonna make your hair more natural, more dense, more thicker, if you want it. So now I'll tell you the price of this product. So it usually costs around $38 US, but right now some offer is going on for you guys. Right now the current price is $24.5 US, which is around 23 euros. Again, in Indian money it will come around 1,700 rupees. So if you are interested in checking this product out, I will have the Ultimen link down in the description, so please check it out. If you want, just buy them. So you just need to pay for the product. You don't need to pay anything for the shipping. Shipping is completely free. So again, there is a link down in the description, so please go and check them out. This is my review of this product, Ultimen 100% natural fibers. My honest opinion is this is completely fine This is very good product. This is a very good product. So that's it for today's video. If you find out what you're looking for in this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what you think of this video, and also let me know whether you're going to try out this product or not. And also, if you find out very helpful, again, please share with your friends, and I'll be so thankful if you consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the post notification bell, so every time I drop a video you'll be the first one to get notified. And thank you once again so much for watching till the end. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.